It's not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only. Anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. That being said, hit the like button, subscribe button, all that YouTube algorithm stuff, so you get the videos I put them out. See what I'm thinking? See, man, last night data, but I got to tell every day. The day they release us is false. Man, it gets a false narrative in the market so we can make bad trading decisions. Listen, a lot of these hedge funds are involved in this trading strategy called basic trading. And the thing is, they are severely over leveraged, sometimes 50 to 1. But the way the strategy works, they can more or less short stocks to death, like with like no scrutiny, whatsoever. They did it in 2020, lost a lot of money. And even though they know this basis trading is terrible, and the SEC knows that it's severely over leveraged, and the SEC knows that it can tank the whole market, they sit on the sideline and allow them to continue in this behavior. It's absolutely crazy. But here's the thing. Let's say you're over leveraged 50 to 1. And that's how some of these are. We're talking about Citadel, Millennium Management, Exodus Point Capital, Kapula Investment Management. And these companies have been put on notice, but they were put on notice in 2020. And what happened? Absolutely nothing. The SEC is always putting people on notice, always putting these bad actors on notice that, yo, what you're doing could crash the market. What you're doing is quasi-questionable. But what do the bad actors do? They continue in the behavior because there are no real consequences to their bad behavior. So now that the banking sector is in trouble, now the SEC is warning them again about this basis trading. It's absolutely crazy. And I don't even understand how the SEC can sit on the sidelines and continually allow these bad actors to engage in this type of behavior. Like, most retail investors, if they use margin at all, they might be 2 to 1, maybe 3 to 1. These guys be 50 to 1, 100 to 1, 150 to 1 at one point, based on some stuff I read like a year and a half ago. It's absolutely outrageous. But what they're doing puts additional pressure on the market that, as far as I'm concerned, is already teetering on collapse. But the good thing is, if it collapses, they'll be forced to close their short positions, and then AMC, GME, and all the other mem stocks should go to the moon. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think that the SEC should just keep giving warnings to these guys for being severely over leveraged and putting the entire market at risk so they can make billions of dollars on the backs of retail investors? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.